Join us on educational tour of Cebu and Bohol in 2024. Explore historical sites, breathtaking landscapes, and cultural heritage, from Cebu's iconic landmarks to Bohol Chocolate Hills and Tarsus Sanctuary. This unforgettable journey offers learning adventure and cultural immersion. Discover the Philippines' rich history and natural wonders while creating lasting memories. As we arrive on our destination, we stay in Alta Village Garden Resort and Convention Center in Cebu. Solea Hotel, luxury and tranquility in Cebu. Solea Hotel in Cebu offers a perfect blend of luxury and tranquility. Located in Mual Boal, this idyllic retreat provides stunning accommodation, exquisite dining, and rejuvenating facilities for an unforgettable stay in Cebu. Their highlight is the idyllic location, luxurious accommodation, exquisite dining, relaxation and recreation, events and conferences. Mika Hotel, stylish comfort in Cebu. Discover the allure of Mika Hotel in Cebu, a stylish boutique hotel that combines modern elegance with warm hospitality. Let's explore the key features that make it an exceptional choice for a comfortable and convenient stay in the vibrant city. Their highlights are chic accommodation, convenient location, gastronomic delights, exceptional amenities, personal service. Waterfront Hotel, luxury in Cebu's heart. Discover unrivaled luxury and impeccable hospitality and waterfront hotel in Cebu. Let's explore the key features that make it premier choice for an unforgettable stay in the heart of the city. Their highlights are the opulent accommodation, prime location, culinary delights, world-class amenities, impeccable service. Nostal Hotel, contemporary comfort in Cebu. Experience contemporary comfort at Nostal Hotel in Cebu. Discover the unique features that make it standout choice for stylish and memorable stay in the city. Their highlights is modern accommodation, convenient location, gastronomic delights, relaxation at amenities, attentive service. In our day 2, we arrive at Bohol. Discovering Bohol's enchanting Chocolate Hills. Uncover the allure of Bohol's Chocolate Hills, a natural wonder that captivates visitors with its unique beauty. Let's explore the key highlights that make it a must-see destination for nature enthusiasts and adventurers. Their highlight is unique landscape, geological mystery, breathtaking viewpoints, adventure and exploration, rich biodiversity. Bilar Man-made Forest, Bohol Green Oasis. Experience the tranquility of Bilar Man-made Forest in Bohol. Discover the key highlights of this lush oasis, perfect for nature enthusiasts seeking serenity. The highlights: towering canopy, environmental conservation, scenic drive and photography, serene ambience, ecotourism gem. Tarsiers of Bohol, world's smallest primates. Explore the enchanting world of tarsiers in Bohol. Discover the unique features, conservation efforts, and the thrill of observing these adorable primates in their natural habitat. The highlights is remarkable size, natural habitat, nocturnal lifestyle, conservation focus, responsible viewing. Lubok River and floating restaurants, scenic dining. Experience the beauty of Lubok River while enjoying a delightful meal on a floating restaurant. Discover the highlights of this serene destination, combining nature and culinary delights. The highlights: serene ambience, scenic river cruise, cultural performances, delectable cuisine, community support. Sikatuna Mirror, Bohol Natural Gym. Discover the awe-inspiring Sikatuna Mirror, a remarkable natural phenomenon in Bohol. This brief overview highlights its scenic beauty, tranquility, photography opportunities, and role in promoting ecotourism. The highlights: natural wonder, scenic beauty, tranquility, photography opportunities, and ecotourism gem. Cebu Safari Zoo, Wildlife Adventure. Cebu Safari Zoo offers a thrilling wildlife adventure. This brief overview highlights its diverse animal collection, interactive experiences, and conservation focus. The highlights: diverse animals, interactive experiences, conservation focus, scenic surroundings, and family friendly. National Museum in Cebu, Cultural Heritage. Discover the cultural riches of Cebu at the National Museum. This brief overview highlights its historical exhibits, diverse artifacts, and educational programs. The highlights: the historical significance, cultural artifacts, interactive exhibits, educational programs, preservation focus. Magellan Cross, historic symbol of Cebu. The Magellan Cross in Cebu holds great historical and cultural significance. This brief overview highlights its connection to Ferdinand Magellan, its religious importance, and its role as a symbol of Cebu's heritage. The highlights: historical significance, religious importance, architectural design, cultural legacy, and symbolic landmark. Tongyang Restaurant Interactive Buffet Delights. Tongyang Restaurant at SM Seaside Cebu offers an interactive dining experience with a delectable buffet spread. This brief overview highlights its wide variety of fresh ingredients, cook-it-yourself concept, and family-friendly atmosphere. The highlights: interactive buffet, cook-it-yourself, wide variety, convenient location, family-friendly. And that's the end of our journey in Cebu Bohol Educational Tour 2024.